Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Ano bang bagong qualification standards ng mga master teacher positions? Ito po yung laman ng DepEd Order number 19 series of 2025. Ito, ganap na po itong naging QS yung Master Teacher 1 para sa elementary at saka sa secondary. Sa education, yung qualification standard ay master's degree in education or educational leadership or educational management or relevant subject for learning area. Tapos yung experience ay 5 years teaching experience. Then yung training ay 24 hours of training in any of or a cumulative of the following sa curriculum, pedagogy, subject specialization, and 8 hours of training and instructional supervision acquired within the last 5 years. Or completion of the NEA requisite professional development program for career stage 3. Yan ay para sa mga highly proficient teacher. Tapos syempre yung eligibility ay ang meron kang teacher's license, Ito naman yung Master Teacher 2 para sa elementary at secondary. Yung kanyang QS sa education ay master's degree din in education or educational leadership or sa management or relevant subject or learning area. Tapos may 5 years teaching experience at saka 1 year relevant experience in instructional supervision and technical assistance to teachers. Siyempre, mangyayari lang yung supervision na yan kung ikaw ay Master Teacher 1. Then, meron kang training na 24 hours of training in any of or cumulative of the following sa curriculum, pedagogy, subject specialization, and 8 hours of training in instructional supervision acquired within the last 5 years. Or meron kang completion sa NEA Requisite Professional Development Program for Career Stage 3. Tapos, syempre, license ka as a teacher. Ito, Master Teacher 3. Para sa elementary din at secondary. 20 salary grade 20 na ito. Ganun din, may master's degree, tapos may 5 years teaching experience at saka 2 years relevant experience in instructional supervision and technical assistance to teachers. Meron ding training na 24 hours na training, At saka, or pwede kung sa NEA prerequisite na career stage 4 para sa distinguished teachers. At syempre, dapat ikaw ay licensed teacher. Dati, yung teacher 3, hindi ka master teacher 3. Ang qualification standard niyan ay 21 years in service. So ngayon, kahit sa 7 years lang, 5 years and 2 years, pwede nang maging master teacher 3. Ito, bago ito. Bagong position, yung Master Teacher 4 para sa elementary at saka secondary, salary grade 21. Ito ay the same sa principal 2 position. So, master's degree and education din, yung kanyang in education, in leadership, or sa educational management, or sa mga relevant subject or learning area. Tapos teaching experience ay 5 years sa teaching experience and 3 years sa mga relevant experience in instructional supervision and technical assistance to teachers. Meron ding training na 24 hours of training in any cumulative or of the following. May curriculum, pedagogy, subject specialization, and 16 hours of training doon sa instructional supervision within the last 5 years. At syempre, dapat ay licensed teacher, yung RA 1080. So, yan po yung mga qualification standard or minimum requirement. Siyempre, kung gusto mong maging master teachers ay dapat meron kang mga outstanding performance sa inyong IPCRF. Kasi tinitingnan doon yung mga classroom observable indicators at saka yung non-classroom observable indicators or yung NCOI para po ma-achieve nyo yung mga qualifying points. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for having me. Paki-subscribe naman kung hindi nyo pa ito nagagawa. Bye-bye!